Good morning. Good morning. Okay, can you hear me? Good morning. This is Mr. Henry Clement. We are doing some sharing on the topics, and thank you for being with us for this few weeks. We are trying to finish this book, follow chapter by chapter. Okay, sometimes I will summarize and make it a note, okay, so that you can use my note. But sometimes, if I have no time, I will just try to pick up the key point from the books and share with you. Okay, so today we are doing some practice on the page 101, which is about flexion. Okay, so before that, in year 7, we have learned what is a mixed number, what is the improper fraction. So today we are still following that stage, and then to I think last year in the year 7 we stopped at the multiplication. So but today we will be doing the division of the fraction. Okay, come. We do some division, some exercise. Okay, come. So to do the addition and the subtraction, okay, is that if I give you 2 pizza plus 4 slice, small slice. So this is a pizza with the 4. So when you want to add together, 2 plus, so no, only 3, maybe 3. Sorry, 3. Yeah? So this is 3 over 3 or 4. So you can write it as a mixed number, which is 2 and 3, 4. So if I let you to do this 7a, okay, we do the F. Okay, we do the D first, then we do the F. Okay, the D will be 2, 3 plus 2, 3. Okay, so the denominator is 3, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so this is improper number. Okay, that means that we have 1 piece here. 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 pieces. So actually 1 and 1, 3. Can you see the idea? So how to solve this one? 4, actually this one is divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3, you get remainder is 1 piece. Okay. So same thing happened to the F. Let's look at the F. This is not so easy. Okay, 7 plus 5 will become a 12. Okay. So to this one, you can do 2 ways. Number 1, you can do this way. And then next one, you can do this way. Okay. So 12 divided by 8, you get 1 and 4/8. Or if you want to do the other way, you can always simplify first. So it's 1 and 1, 2. This one you need to simplify later. So it's also 1 and 1, 2. So it's the same. It's the same. So to add the mixed number, okay, we can always see this one. 1J. So this is 3 and 7. 3 and 4 and 3 you can add separately. So we have, because this is 3n, okay. So I have the 7 and then plus this one. This one is 8. I have the 5 pieces plus the 7 pieces. So this is the same as last now. So it's 12 pieces. 12 pieces from here, we know that this is actually 7 plus 1 and 1, 2. So if you want to pass the 7 and 1 together, you get 8 and 1, 2. Okay, this is for the addition. The same thing will happen for the subtraction. Okay, allow me to save my paper and do the other way here. So if I do the fraction, for example, 2f, 3 whole cake and 2 slices. Somebody come and buy 1 whole cake and then 1 slices. So 3 whole cake taken 1, so it's 2. 2 slices take 1 is 1 slices. So this is what is left is 2 and 1, 3. Okay. So another one come. Page. Okay. I have 1 cake and 3 slices. Somebody come and want to buy 1 slices away. So 3 minus 1 is get 2. So it's 1 and 2. So this is 5. 5. Okay. Next, we are doing the adding and minus for the different denominator. Okay. So now we need to, just like yesterday, we need to change it to the same denominator first. Okay, so for example, 1e. For this 1e, it will be like, maybe I can enlarge this one for you to read easily. Yes, this is 1e. 1 is 2 of 5 plus 2 of 7. So this one, the denominator same, it will be the 35. Is year 7 we have learned this one. So we times 7 times 7 is a 14 over 35. On the other side is 10 over 35. So we can add up together 24 over 35. This is your answer. Maybe we can look for the minus one. Is there any here? Okay. There's no minus one. Okay, until this page. Yeah, here. There is the minus question here. So for example, 1c, which is here, 3/4 minus 2/3. So we know that the same multiple will be 12. So we can do it as a 12, 9. Actually, when you time this one, the 12 you get the denominator. The top one will be the 3 times the other 3. Okay. So this one also 12. This one 2 times 4. So you get the 8 lah. Okay. So 9 pieces minus 8 pieces. So it's only 1 piece left. Okay. This is the minus. Okay. Very good. So maybe we should try with the 3. So it's 1. 3h. This is 1 minus 3, 4. One whole cake, you want to make it cut into 4, it's 4 pieces. Again, okay, so this is equal to 4 of 4 minus 3. After you cut this into 4, so you get the 1/4. And then if you want to try for the mixed number, okay, as compared to the plus, okay, mixed number, you need to change it to the improper fraction before you do the operation. Okay, for the plus and addition, no need. You can add the whole number first, only the fraction. But this one, I think most of the time you cannot do that. So for example, this A example, 2 and 1/5 minus 1 and 4/5. So can you see these 1 pieces? The person can't want to buy 4 pieces, so you don't have. So you need to cut this one. So allow me to cut this one. So 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, so it's 11 pieces. Whereas this one, 1 times 5, so it can become 5, so this is 9. So altogether, I cut this original thing. I have 11 pieces of cake here. Somebody come here actually as equal to buy 9 pieces off. So what is left is only 2 pieces. So let's try with this question, maybe number 7. 7a, 4/1/4 plus 1/3/5 minus 2/1/2. We can solve this side together first, okay? Because for the addition and minus, always from the left to the right. So 5 plus 1 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Oh, but now that's the thing. The fraction cannot be added together likely because they don't have the same denominator. So now you need to have the same denominator with the multiple, which is the 20, and then 5 plus the 20. This is 12. And then you have copy the 2.5. Sorry. So yeah, right only 2 and 2. Okay. So you have 5. This one is 17, 20 minus 2 and half. Okay, before that, we no need to change it to the improper fraction first, but we need to see whether this fraction is this is large and this is small or not. Okay, let's see. So make it 20 lah. Okay, times 10 to become 20. The person want to buy 2 cake. Yes, I have 5 cake. The person want to buy 10 slices. I have 7 pieces. I think it's enough. So I need to change it to the improper fraction. So 5 cake, sell 2. So I have 3 remain. 7 pieces. I want to sell 10. So I have 7 pieces left. So this is my answer. Now this is for 7A. Then we come to do the multiplication. This is also the thing we have done yesterday. Just a simple division. Okay. And then the focus today is actually the division. So we look for 1C, 8 times 3, 4. So this is, we can do 2 types, right? Number 1, we can always do the simplification. So 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Number 2 method, okay. So you can have the 8 is 1 times 3, 4. So you times together. This one is 24. This is 4. So after that, you simplify together 6. Both sides also can do. Okay, then we try number I, which is 6, 7 times 2, 9. So this 2 times 3, this is 3 times 3. So on the numerator part is 2 times 2, you get 4. Denominator is the 7 times 3, get 21. Oh, that's the idea. Okay, so to work out the time for the mixed number, okay, we need to change it for the division and for the division, and also for the multiplication. We need to change it into the improper fraction before any further operation. For example, this B, 2B, 2 to 3 times 5. So this one you need to convert into improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 times 5. 5 is 5 over 1. Okay. So all you get the answer is 40 over 3. When you divide and get the mixed number, it's about 13 and 1. Okay. So next, we may try E. Okay. 6 times 3, 3, 4. So this is 6 over 1 times 3, 3, 4 is actually is a 4 here. 4 times 3 is 12 pieces plus the original 3 pieces. So it's 15 pieces. So this one we can simplify first. 2, this is 3. Our answer will be 45 over 2, which is 22 over 1, 2. Okay. Then we go to the division. Okay, division is that you need to always okay, turn it from the division sign to turn it into the upside down. Okay, for example, I show you this one now. Okay, if you have 2 divide into 1/4. Okay, so can you see? It means that how many of this 1/4? Okay, we make it 2, so it's 8 pieces. For a more direct way of doing is that 2, then you can change this part into the times. So, but you need to turn it from 1/4 become 4/1. So now 2 times 4 is also 8. Okay, on the other way, if for example, last time when we learned in the primary school, we say 4 divided by 2, we call it 4 ringgit divided to 2 person. So each person will get 2. Agree or not? 4 ringgit by 4 to 2 person. Each one will get 2. But now this is not 2 person. See? 2 is given into 1/4. So this is your whole budget. This is your whole budget. This is your school, the money, the mom give you some allowance, some pocket money. So she was saying that here you have 4 portions, right? Each one is 1/4. Each one is 1/4. Each one is 1/4. Each one is 1/4. Okay. So your mom will give you 2. Your mom will give you $2 $2 for each 1/4. So this is 2, this is 2. Each one 4, you get 2. So altogether, you get 8 lah. Can you see? So that's why when you 2 divided into the 4, 1 of 4, so actually you need to times 4 portion. So actually this one will become times 4, so get the 8. Well, this is the same idea. Okay. So then we shall try. We shall try number 3. 6 divided by 1, 4. It becomes 6 times 4, so it's 24. 6 divided by 3, 4 is equal to 6 times 4, 3. Okay, upside down it. So it's 2, so you get 8. Okay, same thing lah. Okay, let me draw for you. So I have 4 parts. So 6 ringgit is given to this 3 part already. So this is 6 all here. 6, I mean this 2, 2, 2, right? So as a whole, these are same equal. So you have 2. So the answer is 8. So let's try some question which is involving the mixed number and negative number. So we try this one first. Negative number 2h. Negative 2 divided by 5 of 18. So negative 2 times 18 of 5. So it's negative 36 over 5. So this is negative 751. Okay. So maybe we try number with a fixed number. Is there any? Yeah, this is the number 3. Number 3h. So negative 4 divided by 1, 7. So it's negative 4 divided by 8, 7. So it's negative 4 times 7, 8. And then you can simplify it. 1, 4, 2, 4. So the answer will be negative 7 over 2. So to make it as a mixed number is 312. Okay, the last part of this thing is actually applying the thing. Yes, applying the build marks. Okay, just now I show you that. Okay. Just now I show you this one, right? Five times 2 and 2, 1. Okay. Just now the one method which is so that you need to memorize is that everything you change it to 5 times this is a 5, 2. So it's 25 over 2. Then the answer is 12, 1, 2. Okay, I think this is one way of doing. Okay. On the other hand, you can do this way. 5. Okay, you want to buy 5 sets of the 2 whole cake. So I have 5 times 2 plus, and then 5 times 1 piece one. I need 5 sets of 1 piece, 1/2 lah. Okay, so this one I get a 10, and then this one I get a 5 over 2, which is also 10 is also equal to this is 2 and 1, 2. So I can actually all I have is a 10 and 2, so it's a 12 piece, 12 whole cake, and then 1 more pieces left. Can you see? Or you can do it in once to make it a improper fraction, or you can do it separately. Both are allowed. Okay. So then we need to go to the bit marks. Bit marks. Bit marks again. This is bit marks. Okay, let's see. Okay, bit marks. BIDMAS. So this will come first, and then this one, and then this one. Okay. So for example, let's see. Number 1. 2 times The thing that comes first is the bit B, yeah? So we need to solve this one first. This one is just copy. So to solve this one, how? So we know that this is 2 plus 1 is 3 pieces plus, so this one you need to change with the same multiple denominator. So it's 12 9 plus 12 4. So it's become 2 times 3n. This one you have 13 pieces. So 30 pieces is actually 1 and 12, right? So I can add this 1 and 3 together to get a 2 times 4 and 12. Okay. So if I do the second one, which is I can do it separately. So it will be like 2 times 4 plus 2 times 1, 12. So this is 8 plus 2 of 16. 2 of 12. Okay, which I can simplify it to 1 6. So my answer is 8 1 6. This is one way of doing. Then we have this one. Maybe we do this this B, B, 2B. 5 divided by this thing, 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 1, 3. So this 5 and divide, copy first. So make it okay. So let's try whether we can actually minus without changing to the improper fraction or not. But due to this, the operation later is a division. So if we are using a mixed number here, later we still need to change it to the improper fraction. So for the ease of the whole process, okay, I think you may want actually to just change it to the improper fraction. Okay, that's the reason of me of changing this is as an improper fraction. So this one will become a 13 over 5 minus 4, 3. This one just copy. So you want to make it the same denominator will be the 15. This is 39 minus 15, 20. Okay. So I have is 5 divided by this one. 39 minus 20 will get 19 over 15. Okay. So to turn the division into multiplication, this one need to upside down. So it's 5 times 15 over 19. So the answer will be like 75 over 19. Okay, so we do the 75 over 19. This is 3, yeah? Okay, so the answer will be 3 and 19, 18. This is the whole answer. Okay, we shall do one more question. This one. Let me copy down first. The 3, 4 plus 1, 5 times 4 minus 3 divided by 1, 1, 4. So you need to find no bracket, no indexes. So we find the times and division first. So this one to be solved first. So what we have to do is just copy this one. And then this one, you know, this is 10 will become a 4 over 5 minus, oh, this is not easy. Division, this one will become a 5, 4. So this one we just copy first. Okay or not? So you can 3 times 4, 5. Okay. So this is 3, 4 minus 4, 5. So this is not minus, this is plus. Minus a 12, 5. Okay. So from the left to right, you cannot do this way. Okay. But it's better for us to follow the rule, which is from the left to right. So we need to add up these two first, then only do the minus. So this is 20 and then 15 plus 20, 16 minus, if you want to change it to 20 also can, now it's 20, 48, okay. Okay, so this is 31, 20 minus 48, 20. So this one is negative 17 over 20. So this is the answer. This is the answer for this question. Okay, we should try number 9. Number 8 lah, maybe number 8 will do. A plank of wood is 2 and 1 2 cm thick. How thick is the part of 25? That means you need to times 25. So make it a improper fraction. Okay, this is the answer for number 8. Okay, so number 9. This is a typical question in our IGCSE. This is good that you can learn now. Okay, Mr. Crow decide to give 3. Okay, the fortune. Okay, all his money. So this one get a 3 of 5. This one get a 1 4. Well, this one how much? So we need to have this one minus this one and minus one to get this amount. So it is 1 minus 3 5 minus 1 4. So it's 1 minus 1 is actually 5 of 5, right? Minus 3 of 5. So I do this one first. So what is left is 2 of 5 minus 1 of 4. So this one I need to make it the same denominator. So it will be the 20. So it's 28 minus 25. So it's 3 of 20. Yeah, this is the thing that the last one get. Okay, this is Mr. Handy Clement. Okay, you can always look for the more exercise or notes from different colorful notes. Thank you for joining us today. Today we are doing this plus minus the fraction of the mixed number together with the times and division, and then the time division will involve a mixed number, and then this is some exercise. Okay, you can just take a photo and try to do it at home. Practice makes perfect. If you like to purchase this book, always go online. Always to get this book. I think this is one of the best book I've ever used. Okay, this is Mr. Handy Clement. Thank you for joining me. Thank you very much. Bye.